book lovers, handbag lovers, lovers of Dooney and Bourke. This is your girl Ange. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, what's up? What's up? But if you've been here before, what's up? But if you've never been here before, I'm so excited. Um, Welcome. I have an unboxing. I have never done an unboxing before. This is a special unboxing. I do have a big old knife, but I'm not gonna cut into it. So I this this unboxing is from my dear friend, the Purse Fairy. Her and I was talking. We talk a lot every day, pretty much. And she was like, "I'm sending you something." She showed me what it was, and she said she was sending it to me. And I was like, "Okay." And it took forever and ever to come. It was delayed. And yesterday we were talking, and she had me in stitches, like cracking up. But anyway, without further ado, we're gonna try to do this unboxing. So this is the box that my dear friend got me. So let's see what's in it. Yes, my head's gonna get cut. I'm not gonna cut deep already. Let me see. Okay, so I'm picking. There you go. See? Nobody trying to dig deep in nothing. All right. Well, that's what oh my God. I'm excited. I'm so excited. This is my tip. I'm gonna say this is my Christmas gift for my birthday. Next month I turn amazing 49. So let's see what my dear friend. I'm like so like I'm gonna cry without before I even open this. That's how she got me feeling some type of way. Okay. If I start to cry, and listen, I'm not gonna cry because they're bags. I'm crying. I would cry, touched by her generosity. And the crazy thing about this, and I'm gonna move on, is that the bags that she selected for me, I'm like, how did you know? How would you know I like this stuff? There's no way you could know that because I didn't tell her. She was like, that's what I'm getting. So let's see. Without further ado, oh Lord, okay. Oh, Mama Sita. Okay, this bag, when she sold it to me, I was like, I have been wanting, and these are nice plastic bags. I have been wanting this bag forever. Forever. And one day in the summertime, I saw this young lady with this bag, and I was like, oh my God, this is amazing. Oh, so I've been on a hunt for it. And when she said, I'm sending you this bag, I was like, how in the world could you have known that this is the bag I wanted? I can't remember the name, but oh my God, let's look inside real quick. Oh my God, Father. Look at the space and it's pebble leather. It's red. It's a nice red bag. Oh, okay. The other one, it's the same, but I was telling her that I don't have neutral bags. I was like, girl, I don't have any neutral bags in my collection. What in the world? And I got another one to match. Mm. Oh God, I don't know. I'm speechless. Look at this, the inside of these bags. I will probably do, or I will definitely do a review on it, but this is just an unboxing. Never done. Now this is a crazy thing. I haven't ironed this particular bag in forever, and I said to her, she was like, "You like this bag?" I was like, "What? Are you kidding me?" I've been looking at this bag since I started my journey on Dooney and Bourke. I love this bag. Brand new. All her bags are brand new. Mm, mm. This would make definitely a good travel bag. As a nice carry-on. And it comes with the strap. This is a splash. Brand new with tags with the thing. Wow. My stomach feels funny. My stomach feels funny. That's how speechless I am. My stomach feels funny. And lastly, oh, I'm overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. Lastly, I was talking to her about this bag. I was like, oh my God. She had some things listed on her site, and I was like, "How much is that?" She's like, "What are you talking about? I'm sending it to you." I'm like, "What are you talking about?" I am. Look at this. Pretty in pink. This is pink fuchsia. I love this bag. Oh my Lord, Father. Ah, and it has, it's matching. It's brand spanking new, of course. Wow. Yeah, so that is what my friend, the Purse Fairy, gifted me with, and I am going to call it my get my friend's the haul that I got. This bag is, I mean, Dooney Addict 615 talk about this bag so much, and I was like, oh my god, I need this bag, I need this bag. But the haul for my dear friend, the Purse Fairy, she it was funny because I was like, I had purchased from her before because she sells stuff. And I was like, okay, I want this. And she was, I need to buy from you again. And she was like, no, you do not have to. That's not what I'm doing here. I'm gifting you this because of who you are. And that means a lot. You know what I mean? I'm not going to sit in here and cry on these people's YouTube because friends, friends, you meet them online. When I as a matter of fact, I used to do Beachbody, and I have met wonderful women on Beachbody in 2009. I started 2006, 2009, and they become my best friends online. And I have, on this Dooney and Bourke journey, I have met some people that have crossed my path that I really enjoy chatting with, either on YouTube or either on the Facebook group, or some have inboxed me privately. I just want to say that I appreciate everyone, and to my friend, the Purse Fairy, I already told you I appreciate you, and thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so I'm just gonna say that. Go out there, be a blessing, and bless somebody else. Pay forward.